Use your knees every time you take a step. Your hip bears your body's weight while you sit, stand, walk, or run. Living with a worn or injured knee or hip joint can be painful and frustrating. Over time, even simple daily tasks can cause pain. However, you don't have to live this way. If the pain and swelling in your damaged joint has become unbearable and is no longer responding to treatment, partial or total joint replacement surgery, also known as arthroplasty, can improve how you move and live. Having joint replacement surgery may sound scary, but being prepared and working with the Duke Total Joint Team will help you feel more in control. Our nationally ranked orthopedics program has been recognized as the best in North Carolina. We perform thousands of procedures annually, relying on the latest surgical approaches, including minimally invasive techniques, pain management advances, and physical therapy. Will get you back to your daily activities with less pain and a faster recovery. Plus, our use of the newest, longer-lasting artificial joints reduces your risk for additional surgery down the road. You can feel confident in choosing Duke for your care. Regardless of when your surgery is scheduled, we're here to help you begin getting ready. By sharing this information, we'll anticipate you'll have a safe and smooth recovery ahead. Let's get started. The topics we're going to be covering include preparing your home, your pre-surgery screenings and preparation, your surgical experience, your recovery care, your departure home.